nugget on Sidcre Digital Limited. The main focus areas of the company are technology solutions, with bias to blockchain projects, agricultural produce, both livestock and crops, manufacturing with main focus on water treatment solutions, bottling machines, medical supplies with main focus on pharmaceuticals, and charity works. Sidcre Digital is divided into two sections. Department. We have the blockchain products development area and physical business infrastructures. Department sections. 1. The blockchain products comprise token, the currency that drives the entire company ecosystem; wallet, secure wallet for storing blockchain tokens and coins with functionality for fiat; payment API, a payment processor gateway that interfaces with several payments portals and carts globally, with support for investment tools and opportunities; DEX, decentralized exchange. This DEX is the Sidcre privately owned decentralized exchange for trading all listed coins and tokens at low fees. The DEX has capacity for launchpad, stacking functionality, and farming. 2. The products portfolio comprises agriculture-related produce, both livestock and crops, manufacturing of machines and tools, for example, water treatment machines, bottling machines, etc. Also the establishment of water factories for sale to both urban and rural areas. Medical supplies as it relates to pharmaceuticals, especially to rural areas, business development and support infrastructure. We empower individuals and small business owners to either start a new feasible venture as Sidcre Digital affiliate or expand a small existing business as a Sidcre Digital affiliate or collaboration partner. We undertake charity outreach for the poor and vulnerable. The development of both the online and offline sections of Sidcre Digital products and utilities will go on concurrently. At some point in the development phase of the projects, both online and offline products and utilities will complement each other to boost the company's token liquidity for a continuous upwards trend in the token trading value against dollar and other coins. Sidcre Token is unique in itself. With the addition of real-life utility, the token is best suited to rival other big coins and tokens in the crypto market for both the present and future competitive financial trading assets among its peers. With its low supply and multiple use cases, Sidcre tokens will no doubt bring wealth to its holders. The next is our Sidcre wallet, which is under development. This wallet will not just be another kind of wallet that's already out in the market, but a unique kind of wallet with bias for special security features to guarantee the safety of assets to a very high standard, with a very user-friendly interface to go. We have planned out features to make the Sidcre wallet a unique one among other wallets in the market. Furthermore, our Sidcre Payment API will be a major sought-after payment processor across the globe for the unique features it will possess and the easy-to-use interface. It will tie together many use cases in our ecosystem to make transactions easier for newbies and professionals alike. Next on our use case is our decentralized exchange, which will be used to list and trade scam-free and verified projects. The DEX will also be known for its low fees, while trading native tokens and third-party assets. Let's now quickly look at the physical portfolio as it contributes to the Sidcre digital ecosystem. The offline business infrastructures will complement the online utilities to boost the liquidity of the company's token by generating profits from all businesses and investments that will be done in the name of Sidcre Digital. The return from all the business across the products portfolio associated with Sidcre Digital will go directly into Sidcre tokens, assuring a stable and rich liquidity for both decentralized trading and centralized trading on all major chains that we have bridged. Furthermore, Sidcre Digital will be empowering both individuals and small business owners. In return, these businesses and individuals will either split profits 50-50 with us from the said business for 2 years before the contract is terminated, or we shall employ individuals to manage every viable business venture under our company, ranging from agriculture, manufacturing, medical supplies, etc., at a salary but take ownership of the business and keep rotating management around the said business until we sell off or expand it as the development unfolds. Also, we shall provide means for loans while we use Sidcre tokens as collateral. Every holder of Sidcre tokens shall be legible for loans to start a business or for personal needs at a very low interest rate. Many more developments will be discussed as we keep delivering on our project's phases.